Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you the verified websites to make money from. Hi, I'm Kevin and I'm a freelancer video editor. In this channel, I share my experience as a freelancer and how I earn money online. If this is what you are looking for, consider subscribing. Okay, what are the general freelancing websites you can work on? We have Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Guru.com, Kuhasl.com, PeoplePerHour.com. Basically, these are sites you can offer any type of service. We also have article writing websites. These are websites that deal with writing only. You can search them and find out more. We also have transcription websites. These are websites that deal with transcription only. So, which websites do I recommend for beginners? Fiverr.com is the best site for beginners, and you can make money by creating gigs rather than applying for jobs. I recommend Fiverr due to its simplicity to work with. The clients normally contact you when they are impressed by your service. As the name, Fiverr is where you can provide any service for $5. Let us have a look at the categories. We have graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, and lifestyle. For graphic designers, you can do logo design, business cards, brochure, posters, flyers, book covers, web and mobile design, social media designs. All these, basically anything that is done by a designer. For digital marketing, you can do social media marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, video marketing, email marketing, marketing strategies. These are very, very good services to offer online. We also have writing and translation, where you can write articles and blog posts. So for those interested in article writing, this is your category. We have resumes and covers. We have translation. For this, you can even offer service translation of English to Kiswahili. We have creative writing, creation of press releases, legal writing. For those who are studying law, you can also do legal writing. We have email copy, script writing, book and cover writing, product descriptions. All these services are offered online. For video animation, anybody who is good at video or you've studied video production, this section is good for you. We have music and audio. In music and audio, you can provide voiceovers. So if you are maybe radio presenter, an upcoming radio presenter, you can offer voiceovers as a side gig. You can learn mixing and mastering and offer it as a service, producing of songs, podcast and spoken words. So anybody who is good at spoken words, you can offer it as a service. Then we have programming and tech, whereby you create WordPress websites and all that, mobile and apps, desktop applications. Then we have the business. You can be a virtual assistant, data entry, market research, and all these other services. We have the lifestyle. You can create online lessons like these ones, art and crafts for those who are good at drawing, and all these other services that you can do here. And then the gaming category, for those who create games and all that, you can also provide services in the same category. Upwork.com is the best site to work with if you're good at what you do and can send awesome proposals to clients. You need to accompany your proposals with your best samples. Let us look at some of the categories. We have web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin and support, customer service, marketing, accounting, and many other categories. Let us have a look at all the categories they have. So here they are. In the web and mobile development, we have all these services for the people who do mobile and web development or software development. For the people in IT, we also have things like database administration, information security. For the people in data science and analytics, you also have your category here, engineering and architecture. Actually, I do know some people who do engineering and architecture. So this is your category. You can see you can do 3D modeling, architecture, chemical engineering for freelancers. I know a person who has done chemical engineering. Electrical engineering for freelancers. Online work is about creativity. In the design and creative, we have animation for freelancers. Art, audio production, brand identity, all this. In the writing, we have academic, copywriting, article writing, proofreading and editing, resume and covers, web content. We also have translation, where there's general translation for things like English to Kiswahili, legal translation, medical, technical. We also have the legal side, where you can offer it as a service. In the admin, whereby you can become a virtual assistant, where you provide data entry, transcription, and these other project management services. Web research is also part of that. We also have the customer service, the sales and marketing, the accounting. I know some people who are accountants. Yes, you can provide accounting as a service online. So that's it, guys. Those are the websites that I recommend you work with. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and see you next time.